I wanted to give you an image of Swamp Gate. It's interesting the visions that I get, and I'm sure you do too once you start um, recognizing them. So, Swamp Gate is what we're dealing with. Oddly, I grew up in that area of Georgetown in Foggy Bottom. It's called Foggy Bottom because Foggy Bottom was once a swamp, but now it's a very ritzy area. As a matter of fact, you can buy an old slave cabin for, like $1 million. It's a very pretty area, however, and I lived in a complex next to Watergate. So ordinary people live in those environments, but um, there were always, when you live in that area, there's always references to swamps. There's a swamp this, a swamp that. Now we have Trump who wanted to clean out the swamp. So this is my vision of Swampgate. On the metaphysical side, there is the tower in the tarot deck. And if you ever like to watch the psychics on that give readings using the tarot decks, the tower always shows up for Trump. And so the analogy of towers and towers is kind of a theme in his life. And he's just had this idea of making towers with his name on it all over the place. Yeah, I'm not sure still what to do about my bouncing tripod. I've been through several of them, so I'm sure there's a secret I don't know. I have yet to find. I saw a tower like this, a brick tower, kind of a lot in our medieval architecture, and I saw someone building a tower around him, only he was standing on the inside of it, which didn't show a lot of intelligence, or he was walling himself in. Only the problem I saw in the construction, aside from the fact that he was inside the tower, whereas you would probably want to be on the outside if you're building a tower, a round circular tower, that the water was rising, and it was murky water, and he was inside of the tower, and he was trying faster and faster to stack the bricks up. So I got the phrase Watergate, Whitewater, and Swampgate. And that was my little vision, and I thought that I would elaborate on it a little. And thank you. I'll see you for our next YouTube